Hello learners, in this video I am teaching you how to create an EC2 instance by using AWS. So first of all we need to know that what is EC2. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, that is EC2, is a web services that allow users to rent virtual server on which they can run their application. Okay, after that, why do we need an EC2 instance? Okay, we need because we can launch EC2 instance on demand and scale, that is up or down as needed to match our workload requirements. So we are starting. So first of all, open your Chrome browser, then put Amazon Web Services on the search bar, then search. After that, this page will open. So first site, that is Amazon Web Services, open that. In that, create a free account. If you don't have account, then create an account. I already have, then I'm logging in here. Okay, always choose root user after creating your account, then sign in, then choose root user, then put your email ID here, then next. After that, put your password, then sign in. Then this page will come, that is console home. So for creating an EC2 instance, go to the search bar, type instance here, enter. After that, this page will open, that is okay. So go to the instance and here launch instances. Okay, so for creating an instance, first of all go to the EC2, then after that instances, then launch an instance. For launching an instance, we give a name to our instance that we are creating. So give any name. I am giving my first project. Okay, don't give space between that. Okay, after that, application and OS image, that is Amazon machine image. So choose here any of that for your creating. I am creating for Amazon Linux. Okay, so so uh, always check the free tier. Okay, so these three are free tier and others are paid. So always check there is free tier. Okay, so create any one of them. Okay, I am creating that. Okay, so here you can mod your architecture, that is 64-bit x86 and 64-bit ARM. So by default it is x86. Okay, after that there is an instance type, which type of instance you want. So here also check that is free tier or not. Always choose a free tier. So here key pair login. So if you have a key pair, then put it here, otherwise create a new pair. So I am creating here, give any name. I am giving the test. Okay, test for project. This is my key pair name. So there is a key pair type, that is RSA and ED25519. So choose any of them. I'm choosing RSA, and that is a private key file format, that is .pem or .ppk. So .pem is used for OpenSSH and ppk is used for PuTTY. I'm using it for putty.ppk and then create a key pair. So my name is wrong. Okay, I am giving here for only test. Okay, so okay, I already given that name, so give another name, that is project. Okay, create my project. The project key is project.ppk is successfully created and that file is downloaded. Okay, after that, network, create security group, that is always allow SSH traffic from, okay, anywhere you want to create an IP, customize IP, then put it here. After that, configure storage. You have to increase or decrease the storage, that is in GB, that is 1 into 8, that is 8. Okay, I'm creating here 10. Okay, after that, please take one again, that is all are in free tier or not, otherwise charges will be provided by Amazon. So Amazon machine image free tier. Okay, instance type free tier. After that, so all are correct. Okay, after that, launch an instance. Okay, so it will take a few seconds. Successfully initiate launch of instance. To check where your instance is, so go to the instances. It will take few seconds. So there is one instance is running. Okay, open that, click on that. So it will give you all the information of your instance, that is instance ID, public IP ID, your instance status, that is running. Okay, VPC ID, auto assign IP, sorry, that is IP. So this is how you will create your instance. Thank you so much.